mRNA is the world's first repeatable and affordable microdiagnostic test for measuring real-time skincare effectiveness. At its core is our microneedle patch technology, which has been shown to collect near equivalent genetic information compared to a skin biopsy. So the idea is that you put the patch on, we collect some cells, and it then goes to our lab for testing. We can then identify certain genetic markers and provide a benchmark score. From there, certain products are then recommended for about 45 days, after which time a second RNA test is taken. And using that information, we can then measure what your initial score was versus the improvements after product intervention. From there, the test can then be repeated every 3, 6, 9, or 12 months. I applied for the Cosmetic Victories Award because a lot of people think that most innovation comes out of America, but a lot of innovation comes out of Europe. And it really gave us an opportunity to see how our technology compared to the rest of Europe. Australia is also a bit of a partner to Europe as well, so I guess there was a little bit of excitement to be part of a European award. But ultimately, it just gave us the opportunity to really put ourselves out on the European landscape. Since winning the Cosmetic Victories Award, it's been a phenomenal experience. I think first and foremost, we have been fortunate to be the first Australian company in the history of the awards to win, which is a huge honour. On top of that, it's allowed us to get the validation that we've needed to approach VC funders and to really get our brand and technology out there. Our ultimate goal is to commercialize the product, and the more validation we receive around the world really helps us achieve our next goals. For those who may be a little bit hesitant to apply, I mean, I get it. It is quite intimidating to really put your technology out to be judged by experts. It is quite scary. But I found the whole journey and the whole process really helpful in terms of building that business journey and creating that user story. I guess the more times we repeat the technology and the more times we introduce it to new people, the easier and more refined our pitch becomes. And I think that's what I really learned. You know, we had to condense so much information, so much research into snapshots and bite-sized information. And it really allowed us to be succinct in letting people know exactly the core features of our technology. So for those who may be a little bit intimidated, you never know until you actually go for it. So highly recommend you go for it.